Clickup Review Clickup Project Management Tutorial. Hello everyone, today we're embarking on a detailed exploration of Clickup, which is an all-encompassing project management tool. It's really designed to cater to all sort of diverse project needs that you may have. This comprehensive review and tutorial will guide you through not only just its features, but its pros and cons, and also a step-by-step setup process. And you'll also get really insights into ClickUp Inbox and practical ways for you to harness its power for effective project management. Let's get started with it. And to start out with it, firstly, we'll have to set up our ClickUp account. You're going to go onto clickup.com, and from here, all you have to do is choose to sign up. I already have my account on it, so I'm going to simply quickly log in actually. And to log in, I'll just log in again as how I had my previous account. Let me just quickly do that. Now, once you log in, you will be quickly prompted to create and set up your own workspace, but I already have mine set up. This is how mine looks like. This is my space 101. Actually, this is the list. This is the one that I've been working on previously. So a workspace is this primary organizational unit in ClickUp, which serves as the overarching container for all of your projects and tasks. You can name your workspace and customize it to suit your team's need. You can also invite your team members to ensure really good collaboration all under one loop. So this is how the dashboard looks like if you go up onto your homepage. This is where it's going to show up your recent visits. These are my recent spaces. There's everything. Then there's team space and my personal space, which is private. So onto the left-hand side, there is inbox, where into the inbox, what ClickUp Inbox is this, area that serves as the place for centralized communication. So this feature consolidates all sort of mentions, comments, and task updates in one place. So you can ensure to stay informed about the project progress and team communication without having to miss out a beat. You can also see this later. But yeah, this is what the inbox feature does for you. There's an option to other, whereas this is one that was already due, so you can see this one, it was to look into practice question. This is the one where you snooze certain tasks, and these are the ones that are cleared. If I just simply clear this one, it's going to go over to clear, so there's none for us right now. Now that we've gone through the inbox, let's move over to docs. Docs is where, all my recently opened Google Docs will be shown. Here are, the docs that have been created will also show here. I can simply click on new doc to create a new one, and search doc to search from, a variety of docs that I have. I can start by writing something with AI or start having a blank page. I can add in table, columns, click up list. Also, I can add a sub page, and I can just, make another titled document. This can be for grocery shopping because that's what's over my head at the moment. So I'm just gonna read that, and I can add a ClickUp list. I can either import that, but let me just add another block and add in checklist. So for the checklist, it could be eggs, milk, cheese, flour, butter, and vanilla essence. It's just a rough idea of how you can, create a doc. And once this is done, all I have to do is trade this doc right here, and it will be shown up right here, created by me. Here's where all of my created docs will be shown. These are the favorite ones. These are the recent ones. So if I go up into my docs, it's where it's going to be shown. The grocery shopping one, the project notes, both of them. Now, if we move forward to the dashboard, here are my recent dashboards that I've created. All of them will be shown here. The shared ones, the private ones, the workspace ones that I've created. And to create one, you'll simply head over to New Dashboard. This blue big button right here, click on that to create a new dashboard. It could be a simple dashboard. You can use that template, or it could be one for team reporting or for team tracking, to track the amount of time that a specific employee of yours has worked. You can use that, or you can also, start fresh from a blank canvas and create your own custom dashboard. I'm going to start with a simple dashboard, and the location that I want it to be viewed is team space into projects, and I simply click on apply. And here the dashboard has been created where we can have tasks. There's 7 total tasks as of now, which are unassigned, and these are in progress, and the ones here completed. So I can add in multiple different cards here to add in the tasks that I want to assign them. And by simply clicking on add card, and I can add in the cards that are here: sprint velocity, sprint burn down. There could be custom ones, there could be statuses, there could be tags, assignees, priorities, time tracking, tables, and I can also have embedded stuff right here. Like I want to embed some sort of YouTube video or a Google Sheet, I can just use this button. Now moving on with the spaces. Here is everything. We already went over with our spaces that I've created. So easy to create another space by simply clicking on create space. And to create your space, you can choose from a template or start fresh, or also you can search for templates or use cases. Like as of now, I want to search for any sort of template. Let's just write anything and choose the complexity of the template to be beginner level. I can use that and search for the templates and choose from the variety of templates that are available. And let me just enter the space name. It could be team brainstorming. Now for team brainstorming, it's just a general idea or a general sample example that I've put up, but there's so many different practical ways you can use Clickup for your project management stuff. You can use it for task management to create tasks and organize them within lists and folders based on the project's phases or categories, which we just went over with. And also you can do it for collaborative purposes like this one for the workspace. And in that case, you can leverage from its comments, mentions, and the features of inbox to, communicate within that platform. And then you can also use it for time tracking, which you can use ClickUp's time tracking features to monitor how much time is spent on various tasks. Another one you can, the last one, you can use it for goal tracking. You can set and track project goals using ClickUp's goal tracking feature to ensure alignment with your overall objectives. Lastly, all of this is really customizable. As you can see, we're simply customizing our space once again, really tailoring it to the way I want to view my statuses and fields. There's a custom one, there's a content one, there's a Kanban view, there's marketing one, there's normal, and then there's Scrum. All of them are pretty much in the Kanban view, but I really like the marketing one, so you can also add in another status. But let's move with next. And here are all the Click apps that we have as of now. This one's for priority, this is tags, multiple assignees, custom fields, and time tracking. I've actually already preset this before while creating previous other spaces, so it just preset it for me. And I click on next, and these are things you want to have it. What sort of view do you want it to be? I want to have a calendar view, list, and a board. So I simply click on review space, and these are the task statuses. This gray for open, concept, pink for progress, purple for running, and blue for review. To finalize everything, let's simply once create the space because we're done personalizing everything. I click on create space, and I have created another space right here. This is the one which says team brainstorming. I can add in tasks right here. I can customize it once again. I can hide in tasks and whatnot. I can view it in different forms by board, calendar view, list, and also see in different forms as well. Now that this is done, you might be thinking, what are like the pros and cons of ClickUp, right? ClickUp boasts an impressive array of features, which we just went over with, to display it as a versatile solution for project management. But from task management and time tracking to goal tracking and also the document collaboration, ClickUp really offers a comprehensive toolkit for you. So this platform's strength lies in its flexibility, allowing users to customize their experiences based on specific workflow and your project requirements. So for the pros, versatility comes up, customization, its integrations, and automation. They have really good, robust automation capabilities to streamline your repetitive tasks. You can integrate really popular apps like Google Drive and, Slack, and so many more. Let's go over with that as well right here. And here, somewhere right here, it was the integrations. Okay. And now about the customization, you've seen how we have the freedom to tailor the platform to match our unique workflows. And the versatility is really adaptable in ClickUp. The cons of ClickUp project management software would be like its learning curve. The abundance of feature might pose a learning curve for some users, and its UI complexity. This specific software is actually more complex, and it could, really overwhelm beginners who may find the interface really off-throwing due to its extensive amount and area of features that it offers. But at the end, ClickUp really emerges as a versatile and powerful project management tool. While it may have a learning curve, the customization options and extensive features make it really a valuable asset for teams of all sizes. You can experiment with its feature and refer to ClickUp's resources for having, really more in-depth insights. With proper setup and exploration, ClickUp can really elevate your project management experience. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I hope you guys really learn project managing with ClickUp. And be sure to leave a like, a comment, and also hit that red button to subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.